Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In this video, I will explain about number. Let's start about number. We use number in our daily life. They are often number called numerals. Without number, we cannot do counting of all things such as money, debt, time, and etc. In mathematics, we can define a number is a arithmetic value used for representing quantity and using making a calculation. Okay, next section I will explain about types of number. There are 8 types of number. There are natural number, number 1. Number 2 about whole number. Number 3 about integers. Number 4 about rational number. Number 5 about irrational number. Number 6 about even number. Number 7 about odd number. And the last or number 8 about prime number. Okay, I will explain one by one about it. Please listen carefully. Okay, number 1 about natural number. Natural number are known as counting number. And then that contain of natural number are positive integer from 1 until infinite number. So the member of natural number we can start from 1 until infinite number. Next about whole number. Whole number are known as non-negative integers. It doesn't include of fraction or decimal part. So the member of whole number about positive integers from 0, 1, 2, 3 until infinite number. And then number 3 about integers. Integer is all the set of all whole number, both positive, 0, and negative number. So in integer, all the positive, 0, and negative number is a member of set integers. But it doesn't include both decimal, square root, or fraction root. This is it doesn't include about integer. So the member of integer about positive number, negative number, and 0. Okay, next number 4 about rational number. All the number can be written in the form of ratio or fraction. It's called a rational number. In the fraction or ratio, there are 2 parts, numerator and denominator. So if all the number can be written or we can change in the form of ratio or fraction, we can call rational number. But number 5 about irrational number. Every number we can change or we can write to ratio or fraction. It's called irrational number. Example of rational number and irrational number. The member I will explain about rational number. A rational number, the example of rational number, for example 2/5. 2/5 is a rational number with 2 is numerator, 5 is denominator. But square root of 2, this is irrational number because the value of the square root of 2 it cannot change to ratio or fraction. So square root of 2 is the irrational number. Okay, next I will explain about even number. Even number is all the number it can be divisible by 2. For example, of even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and etc. Why? Because every number 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 if it can divided by 2. So, the other hand about odd number. The odd number is every number that cannot be divided by 2. For example, 1, 3, 5, 6. This is the example of odd number. And the last about prime number. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1, but it has exactly two factor is 1 and it him of set of number. So the member of natural of prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and etc. Why 1 is not the member of prime number? Because 1 only has one factor is 1. So 1 it doesn't include two prime number. For example, again, nine odd number, but 9 is not a prime number because 9 have more than two factor. The factor of 9 is 1, 3, and 9. So 9 has three factor, not only 1 and him by itself a number. So 9 it's not include about prime number. Okay, I think enough for my explanation about number. I hope you understand about my explanation. Sorry for my mistake. See you in next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.